Quality beyond the everyday muffler shop. The nation's most respected performance exhaust center, Kinney's. Not a Texas resident? Visit our amazing website to find out how you can have the ultimate exhaust for your vehicle from Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe right here and right now to this YouTube channel. All of Kinney's exclusive in-house products are available only at Kinney's. Since 1978, Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center has been crafting some of the country's most unique and distinctive custom exhaust systems. See it and hear it before you buy it, only at Kinney's Performance Exhaust Center.